What if, guys? I'll show you that crypto tools could be organized in one place instead of jumping between multiple platforms. Today we are exploring Mage Wallet. Because of its feature, it's really very simplified as a Texas and swap and community tool. So let's get explored together. Mage Wallet, how describe itself as a wallet that built around a simple idea. Here in the Mage Wallet, we are going to share first of all that you can see here you can make team using your friends circle, invite them, and you can get reward. Next, you can also come in the Telegram launch. Link has been dropped in video description. So you can also get the experience of both trading queue. Now, first thing is about that why we have choose this platform. Because of its multi-layer encryption that is using the advanced DYOR encryption method that is also in the 256 protection. There is no third party, given their security is on their top level. We can also get further details is about. Yes, there are more opportunities that we are going to share it to you. There are given the clear terms and condition. We can easily choose from. According to our need, according to our plan, we can easily go ahead there happen human like in a smooth way. We can start from 21 days to 260 days duration. That has a long good duration too, and there all these things have been displayed on the screen, so you can check out. And even when you want to understand this ecosystem in a globally access, no doubt, this project is already launched on the global level. Now they are also expand your ecosystem by referral reward and many other. So you can also start creating your account in just a minute. But that you can also put your login, first name, last name, email, and many other details that are very simple to create in just 1 minute. We can create account. And next is about that in this vault we can get 50 plus supported asset in all the chain major blockchain and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other. So next is about their swap feature, where you can easily get like a simple thing from one token to another and without any fee, and even there is also no bridges, no external DF, so this can also make some quick action. And there are some comparison made with other wallets. I found the Mage on advanced level, even all these features that the other platform like their competitor are not providing, but we can get in the Mage Wallet. So you should also get some experience on it. Built for global access, no doubt. There are all the documents available upon request. You can easily check out how all the transparency is also maintained. So this is built for everyone. And there is no scary 25%. And a productive feature are the like secure vault asset swapping. Even there is spot 24/7 for you, you can get all the update and wallet will be improved as day by day. So there are occasional checks now, and you can also get some frequent last question. Even we will also come to the home interface to understand about this ecosystem. Then here is all the information. Mage Wallet found in 2025 by the team. Wallet usability of privacy, minute access, and practically digital asset tools. And that's why we are also going to show you here why in Singapore, because globally people also want to be work in a straightforward. So that's why all this port in the region that is Singapore is also reliable. And their values are stability, multi-region desktop, and plus mobile version. So you can also get independency here and no need of KYC. So that's why I love this journey that we are going to choose here. And here are also no backdoor access to you can easily come in one platform. Even you can also get some reward for the referral system. there are Q1. You can easily check out how referrals and people can also come on this platform to understand this is good thing for them. So here are all the data. All people will also complete their level. They will come on next month. I am also going to show you how we can create a card and we will enter into the ecosystem. So for the first time, if you are going to create Mage Wallet account with your email name and password, and then you can click on the sign up and you can also get a code on your email for verification. So you have to write that. And now I am going to write the code that I am going to write. Clicking on the verify. Once our code will be verified in our account, for the wallet as Mage Wallet is going to be ready. Our account is now ready and you can check out there is the username Ruby as my channel, and here we are going to check out first of all how to swap from one currency into another currency. Next, you can also check out there is also the best plan for different numbers. For different percentage, there is also multi-currency supported asset. You can easily choose according to your need. You can receive through this QR code and the address. If you want to send and put the spin address and select the asset, and then you can click on the next. So in this way, you can also proceed to get some referral link. Copy this link, share to your fans and get. Even you can also unlock many other tasks through in the app. You can have a lot of chance to ready for this. And if you have any question, you can easily come on the Mage Wallet and link in video discussion so you can check out all the Telegram details. Even you can discuss with the team too. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video.